Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI, and these let me do normal things in life without pain. I'm so glad to have found these thumb and wrist braces by MountainAir. I have arthritis from a broken wrist a couple years ago, and these braces provide the support I need to just do things like driving. Usually I would start feeling pain after a couple of minutes of driving, but yesterday I wore one of these and was able to drive 2 hours to the beach and enjoy the whole day because this provides the compression and the support that I need. These are super comfortable to wear. They don't cause my hand to feel hot. They're very lightweight, so they don't weigh my hand down. And we found that the compression that it gives is just perfect. It says that it fits normally medium to small hands, and my hand I would say is medium. It's about the size of gloves that I normally wear, and I wear about a size 6 ring, and my husband is about a size bigger, and they fit us both perfectly. My husband also sprained his thumb, and this provided the relief that he needed. These braces we have found just give us the compression and support that we need. Even just working from home, I really like that they're made of silicone because I have sensitive skin and I'm allergic to latex, but with these, no allergic reaction. They're very easy to use. You simply just roll them on and they come with a little bit of powder, and we found that to be very helpful. They make it easier to put the brace on and off. These come in several different colors. We have them in black and flesh tone, and we like them both equally, so whatever your preference is, we just cannot recommend these highly enough. They have really helped us, and I think you're gonna feel the same way if you give it a go, and that's our point of view.